Shalum, man of Yasharal. Breathe deeply. Today, we affirm our positions as leaders. Yahuwah created man in his image to be the head of the house, head of the community. We must lead as he led, with love and firmness. Repeat each affirmation clearly, confidently, and with conviction daily for 21 days to reclaim your rightful position in Yahusha. 1. I lead my home in righteousness and love. I am following Yahusha, not Adam. 2. Yahuwah grants me wisdom to lead with integrity. He sends me challenges to test my skills and my heart. 3. I provide for my family with diligence and joy. I am a responsible man, a loving husband and father. 4. I protect those entrusted to me with Yahuwah's strength and sacrificial love. They know they can rely on me. 5. I am patient and understanding in correction. I always seek to learn from elders of Yasharal. 6. I lead by example, not by domination. I seek Yahuwah first, and I follow his instructions. 7. My leadership reflects the heart of Yahusha, the shepherd. Bold as a lion, meek as a lamb. 8. I stand firm in Turah truth, not swayed by opinion or circumstances. 9. Yahuwah trains my hands for battle and my heart for Shalum. I am a man of the tribes. 10. I serve before I lead, as Yahusha did. I do not stay passive. I solve problems without being asked. 'Breathe deeply. Now speak those truths daily and continue to walk on the narrow path. Overcome the enemy in your mind with action day after day. Shalum, Yasharal. Barak YAHUAH.